upside down on a new vehicle. Yes. But if you're new here, big shout out to you. And also, family, once again, I send a big shout out to our channel members. Yes, family. If you would like to become a channel member and have your name in that banner down below, all you have to do is hit that join button, family. So listen, imagine in 2023, you balling out of control. You got money hand over fist. You go and buy $100,000+ Land Rover. That autograph series. It's a nice one. But let's get into the content, family.
2023 Range Rover with only 20,000 miles. Let's give her a call right now. Hey, I was calling about your 2023 Range Rover that you have.
Yeah, I have it. What's up?
What's the miles? I just want to confirm.
It's like 20,000, some change.
And does the car have any issues, any damages?
No issues. It's like new. I mean, I barely put any miles on it, so it's in really good condition. I didn't drive it too much.
And how much are you looking to sell it for?
I'm trying to figure out what you can offer. I owe a lot on it, so I just need to get rid of the payment because my ex-boyfriend got the car in my name and then we broke up, so he left the payments on me. So I need to get rid of it. I'm not trying to pay $2,500 a month. That's a lot of money for me.
Yeah, that's a lot. So our offer, based on the condition you're saying, it's probably going to be around $110,000.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, what do you think about that? Is that something you could do?
I mean, what about the difference?
How much do you owe on it?
I think I owe like $130 on it.
$130?
You can't pay any more than that?
I could probably go like $111,000, but that's about it.
Oh my God.
You have about like $19,000 in negative equity.
I feel like I just bought this car.
$19,000 in negative equity, family. Wow.
Yeah, I mean, cars are depreciating quick right now.
I can't. How can I pay the money? That's a lot.
I mean, we take wire, credit card as well, but that's about it.
Is there any other way we can do it? Like, could you help me out somehow?
I mean, I'm already coming up another $1,000.
I mean, what can I do?
There's no way you can get the money to pay off the difference?
No. I'm saying, like, is there anything that I could do for you?
Hell no. Awkward. So
For
awkward.
me? What do you mean by that?
You know, I help you out, you help me out type of thing. I mean, we can meet in person.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Hey, we can just help each other out with that, right?
I'm not really understanding.
You got a girlfriend?
I'm married. I got 4 kids.
I mean, it would just be a one-time situation, you feel me?
Honestly, I wouldn't be able to help you there.
Bruh, you really turned down. I just really want to get rid of the car. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to disrespect you or anything, but if there's any way you can help me, I'm here, you know what I'm saying? We can figure it out.
If the car needs nothing, tires are good, no issues, I could probably squeeze out to 113.
Okay, family. I know y'all was listening to this conversation, but do you know anything about Land Rover? Check this out.
Vehicles you can buy for your bank account. A 2024 Range Rover P530 autobiography. Long wheelbase lost $56,520 in value after just 1 year and fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. To put that in perspective, that depreciation alone could buy you a brand new Land Rover Defender. Kelley Blue Book estimates the average Range Rover loses approximately $72,000 in value over 5 years, with annual depreciation running about $14,400 per year. After 5 years, a Range Rover that cost over $100,000 retains a residual value of around $36,000. That is roughly 63% of your money gone. And reliability is a nightmare. One Range Rover forum member reported needing a completely new transmission on their 2024 model with fewer than 5,000 miles. Brand new, barely driven, and already needing a major powertrain overhaul. Land Rover engines have been plagued by timing chain issues, cooling system failures, and oil leaks for years. Then you have the running costs. Insurance averages over $22,000 over 5 years. Maintenance runs about $1,870 per year, and that is if nothing major breaks. The moment something serious goes wrong, and with Land Rover, it is not a question of if but when.
Now, family, would you buy a Land Rover? Post your, you know what? Post your comments.
You are looking at repair bills that make your car payment look cheap. Decade-old Range Rover autobiography models are trading hands for $20,000 to $30,000. A vehicle that once commanded over $150,000 with options is now worth less than a loaded Honda Accord. That is not depreciation. That is financial obliteration.
Financial obliteration. But let's get back to the story.
You help me out somehow?
I mean, I'm already coming up another 1,000.
I mean, what can I do?
There's no way you can get the money to pay off the difference?
No, I'm saying, like, is there anything that I could do for you?
Can you do for me? What do you mean by that?
You know, I help you out, you help me out, type of thing. I mean, we can meet in person. I'm not tripping.
Okay. So then how would you be paying the difference?
That's what I'm trying to say. We could just help each other out with that, right?
I'm not really understanding.
You got a girlfriend?
I'm married. I got 4 kids.
I mean, it'd just be a one-time situation, you feel me?
Honestly, I wouldn't be able to help you there.
Bruh, you really turned down. I just really want to get rid of the car. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to disrespect you or anything, but if there's any way you can help me, I'm here, you know what I'm saying? We can figure it out.
If the car needs nothing, tires are good, no issues, I could probably squeeze out to 113,000, but that'll leave you with 17 in negative equity.
You want to FaceTime me? You want to see how I look? Because you don't know what you're passing up on.
I mean, we could FaceTime if you want to show me the car, but otherwise...
No, I'm trying to show you something else.
I'm good, but let me know if that helps you. I mean, at 113, we can get a deal done today.
All right, you got my number.
Okay, family. What's your thoughts? Post your comments down below. Is this what we're doing in 2026? Is this how, you know, young people or young ladies paying off their negative equity? Post your comments. Let me know. We got to do some interaction. And listen, family, if you new to this channel, post down below that you're new. Okay? I tell you, family, times are rough. Times are hard. But I tell you, this young lady is in a situation. But until my next episode, you be blessed.